This is every Xiaomi phone explained. Currently, Xiaomi has 6 main series, and if I told you it's for easy recognition, I'd be lying. They include Mix, Xiaomi numbered series, CV, Black Shark, Poco, and the popular Redmi series. So within all of these series, there are more subcategories depending on the price and the region, but this is roughly the arrangement according to price. Redmi is easily the most popular one, and of course it has further subdivisions within it. We have Redmi A, Redmi Number, Redmi Note, Redmi Turbo, and Redmi K, and this is how you can arrange them according to price. Redmi Turbo is usually only found in China, but it's also released globally under a different name which we'll mention later. Redmi K is also only found in China and India. And yes, each of these subdivisions have several phones within them, which we'll talk about in another video. But just know that whenever you see Redmi, then any of these numbers or letters or names, you can roughly guess their price points. Next, we have the Poco phone, which is a sub-brand by itself, and it's also subdivided into various series within it, which include the Poco C, M, X, and F. And yes, this is their order according to price, with the Poco C being the cheapest entry-level phones and F being the most expensive. Poco F are high-performance phones, and they are basically global versions of Redmi Turbo. So whenever you see a Redmi Turbo released in China, just know that a few weeks later it will be released globally under the name Poco F something. Black Shark is their gaming line, so it only has very powerful phones that are gaming focused. So they have extra things like gaming trigger buttons, colorful LEDs at the back, and cooling fans. The thing is, the last Black Shark phone, which was the Black Shark 5 Pro, it was released way back in 2022. So the lineup's future is definitely uncertain. You don't know if it's there or it was discontinued. Moving on, we have the CV series, with CV standing for cinematic vision. So it's a line of powerful smartphones that has great cameras, but aside from that, it's supposed to be a phone for the youth with a stylish design and display. It started with the CV1 in 2021, then the CV2 in 2022, then the CV3 in 2023. So common sense says that in 2024, there will be CV4, right? Wrong. In 2024, they decided to release the Xiaomi CV4 Pro and the Xiaomi 14 CV. So you cannot predict what will be there in 2025. And at the top of the food chain, there's the Xiaomi numbered series. This is basically their top phones with the best everything, and they'll follow a numbering systems. This year it will be the Xiaomi 15 series, last year it was the Xiaomi 14 series, next year it will be the Xiaomi 16 series. This series was initially called Mi, but later on they dropped it and went on to call it Xiaomi and a number. Finally, there's the Mix lineup, which is currently their folding phones. So there's the Mix Flip and the Mix Fold. Xiaomi also made a concept phone called the Mix Alpha, which had a display wrapping around the entire device. Anyways, that's a general overview of Xiaomi phones lineup. Xiaomi launches around 50 to 100 models per year, so there's no way to cover everything in one video. But stay tuned, we'll dive in deeper into the Redmi lineup in an upcoming video.